Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to represent, let me change this color. We're going to represent rates in terms of their unit rate. So, situation 1. A package of candy has around 5 green candies for every 2 yellow candies. How many green candies are there predicted to be in a package that has 12 yellow candies? So we're talking about two quantities that can change. The number of green candies and the number of yellow candies. Let me do that a little better. Okay. So the topic of this, a package of candy has around 5 green candies. So this is like our topic. You'll know what I mean. You'll start to catch on. I don't want to make it overly complicated, even though this isn't exactly the most correct way of saying it. So number of green candies. Oops. I'm going to make this a little smaller. Okay. Number of green candies depends on the number of yellow candies. All right, the rate that it gives us is 5 green candies, 5 green for every 2 yellow. To find the unit rate, you just divide 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So the unit rate is 2.5 green candies. See green's on top? Oh, for every 1 yellow. So remember green, that's what we care about, so there. Yellow. So if there are 0 yellow candies, of course there'd be 0 green. And let's just, I guess we can go ahead and just count like this. So 1 yellow. So, okay, 2.5 green for every 1 yellow. So 1 yellow, we will multiply by 2.5, and we will get 2.5 green. 2 yellow times 2.5 would give us 5 green, which is true. That's what we had originally. 3 times 2.5. 3 times 2.5. Ooh, I don't know this one off the top of my head. Let's see. Oh, yes, I do. I don't know why I'm acting like brand new. That's easy. 3 times 2.5 is 7.5, and 4 times 2.5 is 10. So our graph, the one that the topic is the green. Okay, remember to put the 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 0. So I'm going to do the nicer ones. 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are more, like in here, and here, and here, and here, and here, but we just draw them all. Oops, let me do a better job. We can just draw a bunch and show that it keeps going on forever. We want our 2 equations. So I'm going to show you 2 equations. To get the green, we multiply 2.5 times the yellow. But I also want you to write it in fraction form. Green, the number of green is 5 for every 2 yellow. This is on the side, they're next to each other. You'll get it. You'll see it in the next one too. So the question was, how many green are there predicted to be in a package that has 12 yellow? So I'm going to put the 12 yellow here. So let's use this. So the number of green is 2.5 times the yellow. So green is 2.5. It's asking about 12 yellow. So that should be 30. Yes, 30. So you'll have 30 green candies. So let's explain that prediction. If there are 12 candies, 12 green, no, 12 yellow, okay, 12 yellow candies, then there will be 30 candies, 30 green candies. And I may as well just put it here also, because it goes across. Alright, example number 2. So Haley is making brownies for her friend. She bakes about blank slices of brownies to every blank friends. I'm sure that's worded weird, but y'all get the point. About how many slices will she give away to 20 friends? So we have two things. Slices of brownies and every how many friends. So topic was the brownies and the friends. Okay, cool. So she bakes about 6 slices of brownies for every 5 friends. Cool. So we are concerned with the brownies. Number of brownies. And number of friends. The rate that it gives us is 6 brownies for every 5 friends. So we do 5 divided by, 6. Let me do that. We do 6 divided by 5, and we get 1.2. So 1.2 brownies. Oops, that's not even right. Brownies for every 1 friend. So this is the rate it gave us, 6 brownies every 5 friends. This is the unit rate for every 1. 1.2 brownies for every 1 friend. We know if you have no friends, then there will be no brownies. So 1, 2, 3, and I guess I'll just skip to 5 at that point. So 1.2 brownies for every 1 friend. So 1 friend would be 1.2 brownies. 2 would be 2.4 brownies. 3 is 3.6 brownies. Alright, so we care about the brownies, or the topic, and there's the friends. So 0, 0 is our first one. And I'm just gonna graph this one because it's gonna be the easiest. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm gonna start off with that one and that one. So let's try to do one of these decimal ones. 2 and 2.4. 2 and 1, 2.4, somewhere there. And oops, and that's how it should look, something like that. So we'll get back to that. So our equations. So to get to the brownies, we do 1.2 times the friends. Or we can say that the brownies are 6 slices every, 6 brownies for every 5 friends. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what we gotta predict. It says about how many slices will she give away to 20 friends. All right, so 20 friends. So I'm gonna write, I prefer this one. So 1.2 times 20, and 1.2 times 20 should be 24 brownies. So that should be 24. So 20 friends should be 24 brownies. So if, or you could say, let's do this. She makes 24 brownie. For 20 friends. All right, cool. That's everything. Thank you.